It's your boy Noodles checking in, man. Sending peace, love, joy, and happiness all your way. I hope you've been taking care of yourself, putting yourself first. You deserve it. You matter. I'm back with another banger, man. Yeah, I'm staying consistent, man. Today I got y'all a little POV, nothing too much, just a little POV in the scatty watty, man. Let y'all see me cutting up in traffic. Anyways, let me give y'all a little cold start real quick. Yes, sir. YouTube going up, man. Anyways, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get with y'all when I get in traffic, man. Peace. Yeah, what's good, YouTube? I love POV for y'all, man. In the scat. On the highway right now. Quick little pull for y'all boys. Y'all new to the channel, man, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We got a lot of bangers coming soon. This is just a quick little POV for y'all, man. A lot of people been telling me do one. Y'all want to see how I cut up. This an eco too. I'm about to put her in track for y'all, sport. Drop manual right now because I'm holding the phone. I got something different on the way for y'all. A little GoPro or something so I can use both my hands. But y'all know we got track, we got sport, we got auto. This is my eco right now. I'll put it in sport for y'all real quick. These tunnels and shit, this bitch pulled, listen. Let me try to open the sunroof for y'all real quick. Yeah, that helped it, like y'all can hear it a little better, hear the pops and shit. Yes, sir. Hope y'all boys having a blessed day. Hey, I need to stop. Y'all see gas down there 360. Down there $4, y'all. I need to stop. I need to stop. Uh-oh, we sliding. Pops, ooh wee. I gotta admit my foot delete and my resonator's down. People waving at me and shit. I'm on a half a tank right now. I'm on a half a tanky. Good little POV for y'all, man. No editing needed. Just be in traffic having fun, man. Y'all know how we cut up. dropped a video about the gas mod, about how bad is. Do it at your own risk, my boy. Do it at your own risk. Challenger behind me. He came all the way to follow me, bro. I seen him all the way back there. He came all the way to follow me, bro. Look, he tried to race us up. Look at it, y'all. Look at it, y'all. He on bullshit. He on bullshit, y'all. This man's on bullshit. Look at him, y'all. He trying to keep up with the Scatty Waddy. I think he in a 5.7. Man, look at him sliding, y'all. That nigga funny, bro. I fuck with bro for that. Y'all see him back there cutting up? Hey, this is crazy, man. I did a POV and somebody came to cut up with me, bro. Y'all see him, man. Y'all see him, man. Y'all see my boy. Having fun, bro. That's all, man. That's all this about, man. We draining hella gas right now, though. That's why I only average damn near 12 miles a gallon. Oh, we ran a yellow. Oh well. I'm about to wrap this vid up, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this little POV and the Scatty, man. It's your boy Noodles. I love y'all. Peace, love. We gone.